Hello friends, in this video I am doing a review on the ECS 10 Nerf gun. So this is a pretty cool gun. Like you can see, Modulus is written here. It looks pretty good. Then this is a part which can be removed like this. See, then this front part can also be removed by twisting it and then getting it forward, and then you need to do like this so that it gets out. Then you have the scope which looks like this. Then you can also get this out. I'll put it back. I'll put this part also. Then we have a handle here which can also come out, but I don't want to do it right now. Then this is our magazine. This magazine has 10 bullets inside it. So you can also buy an extra magazine, so that you put one magazine here and one magazine here. When the first one gets over, you can take this out and put another one here, so that will be 20 bullets. Then you can take the scope out and put it like here. Then besides that, there is this thing from which you can aim your target. Then this is the place from where you can check if there is any blockage. Like see, I open it, then I'll close it. To start this gun, what you will do, you will press on this button which is below the trigger, and see this sound will come, and then you press the trigger and the bullet will go. So you can check from here that is there any blockage. See, it will fire. Then all the features are very good here. Then you can also buy some extra parts which are pretty nice. You will put the cells here. This gun needs 4 cells, so I have brought them. So to get your magazine out, you will press on this button and see the magazine will come out. And when you put it, you can just put it normally inside, and then it's inside. You can aim like this, your target, you can aim it and then hit it. See, I usually like that this thing should be off it, so that I can easily take my target. Then this part is pretty cool. As see, you can do it like this and remove it and then put it back. So I like this a lot. Then this part can also be taken out and put here, like same with the scope. And then Nerf is written here. And anytime if you want to buy extra parts, you can just go and buy extra parts. Like right now I am also thinking to buy some extra parts of this gun, so that it looks more attractive and has more features. But right now, without any extra parts, this gun is amazing. It's totally automatic. No need of anything manual. You can just do everything. No need to take out the magazine again and again. Just open this check part, see if there is any part, any problem, put it back. Then it looks very cool from seeing. See, from here it will look like this from inside, and the contrast of the colors is also pretty cool. So this was the review of the ECS 10 Nerf Blaster gun. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe this channel, like my video, also share it with your friends. Okay friends, bye bye.